节快要到了。
It's almost Thanksgiving.
感恩节 is our family's favorite American holiday because it's all about getting together with loved ones as well as showing gratitude for all that the world has given us.
Or maybe it's just because we get to eat a lot of delicious food every year.
Well, this year we're in Taiwan, so we don't have an oven. So we can't really put on what we usually put on, which is a magnificent spread.
Well, to be fair, this is an unusual Thanksgiving for everyone around the world. So maybe our tips and tricks from today will come in handy for you too.
Today we're about to show you how to make our favorite delectable Thanksgiving treat. That does not require an oven. Here we are in my little kitchen in our Taiwan apartment. Today we're going to make sugared cranberries. They look as good as they are tasty, and they're so easy to make. All you need is equal parts of cranberries, fresh cranberries, sugar, and water. Let's go. Cup of water. I couldn't believe when I actually found the cranberries in Jason's the other day. Jason's is this international grocer, so whenever we feel like having a little bit of something from America, we just, we head over to Jason's and get it. Now we just have to let them sit for a few hours to develop this sugary crust before digging into them. Kao. 我喜欢拍食物的，你看每次都可以吃东西。你喜欢白色还是黄色的？
这个白色比较好。
哦，我们好久没有跟人家说那个。
Oh yeah. Like, subscribe, or comment. We wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
感恩节快乐，下次见，拜。就这样吗？
I'm amazed. It is so basic. You stayed up until so late.